Here we will create a PHP script to insert data into student table. So first we will add new file and we will save it as student.php. Before writing any code, first we will create the student table in MySQL. So first start Apache server and MySQL and then open the phpMyAdmin with browser. Here under localhost we will open phpMyAdmin. Here under new student data table we will create a new table. I will create table student with number of columns 7 and I will click here go. First I will add roll number with integer, then name with data type text, then mark of first subject, that is mark 1 with integer, mark 2, mark 3, then total, and then percentage with data type double, and then we will save it. It will create a table student with structure, roll number, name, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, total and percentage. Then in our script, first we will add HTML tag, then we will add title tag, and I will give the title accept student information and save it in MySQL table. Then we will add body tag, then we will add form tag, and under form tag we will define text boxes and button. We will define here text boxes for roll number, name, mark of 3 subjects. So first is roll number, input type will be text and name will be roll number, and then we'll add br tag. Then we'll define text box for name with name, then we'll define text box for first subject marks, so mark 1, name will be mark 1, then we'll define text box for mark 2, also mark 3, and then we'll add submit button. So input type will be submit and name will be B1. Here we are passing this text box value to this PHP script. So in form we'll write action equal to, first we'll define PHP tag, then PHP self, and we'll close the PHP tag, and method will be post. Then we'll write PHP tag. Under PHP tag, first we'll include our connection file, db connection, and then we'll check submit button is clicked with each set function. So if each set B1, which is name of the button, and if this is true, we will save our text boxes value to a variable. So roll number equal to post roll number, which is the name of the text box for roll number, then name, then mark 1, and then we'll calculate the total addition of 3 marks, and then we'll calculate the percentage, which is equal to total into 100 divided by 300. Then we will insert this data in student table. So first we will write query. So SQL equal to insert into, we will check our table name, that is student. So insert into student. Then we will write here field name. So roll number, name, mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. Then total and percentage. And then we will give the values. Here roll number is integer. So we will directly give here roll number. Name is text. So we will use single quote. And then mark of 3 subjects. Then total and percentage. Then we will open the connection with connection variable. So connection equal to, we will call our function that we have written in DB connection, that is open connection, and here we will execute the MySQL query. Here I will use if statement with MySQL query. First we will pass connection object and then our query, that is SQL. And if the query is successfully executed, we will print the message data is inserted. And if there is any error, so in else statement we will print error. Then we will open the browser and we will call our script studentdata.php. I will enter the roll number, then name, marks, and I will click on the submit button. It will give the message data is inserted. To check it, we will open our PHP MyAdmin and this SQL tab. We will check whether data is inserted or not. Here we will write the query, select star from student and click on this go. It will display the data which is inserted into student table.